Take the old radio out. There's this my new radio, whereas there is this Nismo adapter. And there's antenna cable. Then we put this is my Sony new radio. Then we install it. We put this stop blockage there. Then we put this. This is my antenna area. Antenna area in here. Then we put it. Okay. Then we put it to the tears. It's a goodie. Then we test if it works. Okay, let's go. Okay. Set area. Europe area. And then we make little adjustment and then we listen to Super Duper Man. Superman. This woman.